collection of stories for children in 1888. Watch this touching story about an unusual pair of very kind souls. There was once a prince who had everything he wanted, so he was never sad. His people called him the Happy Prince. When the Happy Prince died, his people had a statue made of him. The statue was made of lead covered in gold. In that country, the winters were very cold. So every autumn, the swallows flew away to a warmer place. But one day, one little swallow was late. So he reached at the top of the tall pillar right between the feet of the Happy Prince.
Hello, I am the Happy Prince.
Why are you crying?
Because of all the unhappy things I can see from here.
What can you see?
I can see a poor woman in a small room and her child lies ill in the bed, but she has no money to buy the medicines. I think her child will surely die. Take the red gem from my sword and give it to her.
Yes, Prince, I will do it. Goodbye, I am off now.
Little swallow, don't go yet. I can see a young man in the bare room and there is no fire. He is trying to write something, but his hand is too cold to hold the pen and he has nothing to eat. Take one of my eye. They are made from blue gem.
I cannot do that.
Please do as I ask.
Yes, Prince, I will do it.
Now I can pay my rent and buy some food.
Goodbye, I will go now.
Little swallow, don't go yet. Can you see that little girl? She was trying to sell matches, but her hand was too cold, so she dropped the matches in the way, and now they are of no use. And her father will scold her. Take my another eye and give it to her.
But if I do that, you won't be able to see at all. You will be blind.
Please do as I ask.
Yes, Prince, I will do it.
How pretty, it is so nice. I will show it to my father and he will be very happy.
Prince, I cannot leave you now that you are blind. I will stay with you. You can use my eyes to see now. Dear Prince, two girls are sitting under a bridge trying to keep each other warm. They have no home to go, but the policeman is telling to go to their home.
I have no gems left, but my clothes are made from gold. Take a bit of a gold and give it to those poor girls.
Yes, Prince, I will do it. Goodbye, dear Prince.
Goodbye, swallow.
The swallow knew that his end had come. It died, and something broke inside the prince. It was his heart. The next day, the mayor and the town councillors passed by the pillar and looked up at the statue.
How shabby our prince looks. It seems to have no germs and someone has stolen all his golden clothes.
And look, there's a dead bird at his feet. We can't have that here. It must be taken away at once.
A better one in its place. But who shall we put this time?
Oh yes, mine of course.
That night, God told his angels,
Bring me the two most precious things in this town.
The two precious things that I want to give you. This is the broken heart of the Happy Prince, and this is the dead swallow.
You're right. This little bird shall always sing in my garden of paradise, and the Happy Prince shall praise my name forever.
Moral of the story is that we must help the poor and the needy. The prince set an example of these giving his jewels to the poor. The swallow also proved to be a great example of love and sacrifice. Thank you.